right?
It sure does, and I had the opportunity to learn how to make it when I stopped by Express Kitchens. Take a look. Hey everybody, I'm here with Paul Finney. He is the owner of October Kitchen. We're going to make a wonderful recipe today in an express kitchen. Isn't this kitchen absolutely gorgeous?
It's gorgeous, and I've been in a lot of kitchens as a personal chef for years. This is the nicest one's going.
Quartz countertop that you can cut right on. They've got these easy close drawers, which are just impressive.
You gotta have those.
You gotta have those, and they're so organized so well. And they've even got roll-out trays. Take a look at this. All right, so we're cooking up a wonderful recipe today in this beautiful express kitchen. What are we making?
We're gonna make a parsnip rice risotto today.
Okay.
We're gonna start with a little bit of shallots. Very simply mince up your shallots. You're gonna let those soften up a little bit. It's a non-rice risotto. So we've actually taken our parsnips, peeled them, chopped them up in the food processor until they're kind of the consistency of rice.
What a very clever idea.
Well, you know, so many people are doing gluten-free and paleo and staying away from the carbs. I like the parsnip rice because it has a nice little sweetness and has a nice little starchiness, so it'll actually come together well.
Okay.
So we saute these off a little bit. While those are going, we're also going to do a mahi-mahi. Okay. And we're going to crust those mahi-mahis in pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin seeds?
Yep.
How seasonal.
Well, you know, it is the season.
The season is right.
So we made this little pumpkin seed crust with some scallions, some toasted pumpkin seeds. You can put a little bit of panko in there or not, depending if you want to be gluten-free or not. And I put a little bit of dried cranberries in there. And I just dipped the fish in a little bit of egg white.
I was wondering what that was.
Just to get everything to stick on there nice.
Okay.
You can saute this. You can also do it in the oven. Very simple. I sent the recipe over, so if somebody's interested. And after I put this recipe together, I think I'm going to put it on the menu next week.
I think it looks absolutely amazing. And again, how nice is it to have everything at your ready in this beautiful express kitchen?
These countertops are terrific. The colors that they've got, it's so much flexibility to go with anybody's style. And once it starts to suck up the moisture and cook the parsnips out, I'm going to kick it up a notch. You could do spinach, but I've got some nice Brussels sprouts leaves because I saw some nice Brussels sprouts in the market today, and I was like, oh, these would be a nice addition to what we're going to finish off here. Give you a little bit of crunch.
All right, so we've been cooking along. Everything is coming along nicely.
Yep, the risotto's almost ready. I need a little bit of coconut milk. I like a little bit of coconut milk. Gives it a little bit of creaminess in there. We're gonna finish that off. Our Brussels are coming along nicely. Add a little bit of fresh herbs and a little bit of salt and pepper. I put a little pat of butter in there. A little tiny bit of Parmesan cheese.
Yum.
And then while that finishes, we're going to take our fish and just let it rest to the side for 1 second.
And this is a mahi-mahi, Paul, is that right?
Yep, mahi-mahi.
Now, did you make that just for the halibut? Gotta love a good fish joke in an express kitchen.
Take our nice piece of halibut. Halibut, you got me going. It's mahi-mahi.
Mahi-mahi.
Mahi-mahi. And then I made a little apple salad just for a little garnish with some dried cranberries and some chives and a little bit of shredded carrots just to give it a little color and crunch on the top. And this is almost done. Now, the secret with my brown butter, a little teeny tiny dab of miso paste.
Miso?
Yes. It gives it just a nice little nuttiness. Okay. Kind of helps pull the whole thing together. And then we'll finish with a little bit of lemon juice. A little bit more herbs. We can go right over the top here and right around the plate. October Kitchen is in Manchester. We're on Green Road. We deliver all over Greater Central Connecticut once a week right to your door. So you can have fresh, healthy home-style meals anytime you need them.
Beautiful food, Paul, made in a beautiful kitchen, Express Kitchens. They have locations all across the state and in Western Mass. I want to thank you, Paul, so much for being with us today.
My pleasure as always,
The
Scott.
recipe will be on the website. Thanks for watching. Oh my goodness, it was so delicious.
That looks so good. All right, Express Kitchens also has locations all over the state, so maybe you want to upgrade your kitchen too. And you can get that recipe that you just saw by heading over to our website.
Yeah, betterct.com. You just think we should order it, right?
The October Kitchen is so good. They deliver right to your door.
Hey, we're going to be talking to Jada Pinkett Smith in just a few minutes.
Yes. You know her from the big screen TV and her longtime marriage to Will Smith, but she also has her own show on Facebook. And she's telling us about her conversation with Demi Moore and her daughters.
And veterans receiving much-deserved care packages full of encouragement. Find out what's in these packages and how you can help too. You watch Better Connecticut on this Monday.
We'll be right back.